So how you can use ChatGPT very extremely effectively to manage your finances and to pay off all of your debts very fast, and the other financial plannings all will be covered in this video. I'm doing it on mobile, but for better experience you can also do it on laptop or desktop. By the way, it works the same in the mobile as well. So you first of all have to open up ChatGPT, and after that let me open the conversation I have done with ChatGPT in order to show you that how you can use it for financial planning and for paying off your debts and the financial management. So I first of all gave it the command, can you do financial management for me? And ChatGPT replied that I can certainly provide information and guidance on financial management. And it has provided me some tips, but these were not the tips I was looking for. So next you have to say it, I will tell you my earnings and liabilities. Tell me how can I manage them well? And ChatGPT replied, certainly, please provide me with details of your earnings and liabilities. For your information, let me tell you what a liability is. Earnings is the money that you earn which come in, and liabilities are the things which take the money out of you, means which are your expenses. So next I gave it the details that I earned $1,200 per month. You have to do the same. You have to tell ChatGPT the amount of money you earn per month. Next you have to tell all the expenses that you have. For example, I am in debt of $770 and I told ChatGPT that I have a debt of $770. Next, I have to pay the car rent of almost $400. This is just an example. The numbers can vary according to you. Next, I have to pay the house rent of $300 and I have exactly zero savings. And next, I told ChatGPT that I have to fill up my car with the petrol of almost $200 per month, and my other expenses are almost $300 per month. You have to write the complete list of all of your expenses. First of all, you will write your earning or the amount of money which come into you every month, and next you have to tell your expenses one by one. For example, if you are in debt, or you have to pay the car rent, the house rent, and you have to fill up the petrol, or any single expense that you have to tell it to ChatGPT to calculate the exact advice for you. I asked ChatGPT, tell me how can I pay my debts and manage my finances. So if I scroll down, then ChatGPT tells me that I earn $1,200 per month, but I spend $1,970 per month, which is too far. So it gave me some advice that I should reduce my expenses and something like that. But I again said to ChatGPT, give me the exact advice with calculations that what I have to do. Now ChatGPT will give you the exact calculated figures that you have to apply to your finances in order to remove all the debts and manage your finances. And here you can see, first it told me that how much I earn and how much I spend. Next it asked me to reduce my expenses to $100, means the expenses I spend on the useless things, I have to cut them down. And next it asked me to prioritize the debt, and here it suggested me the best thing to pay off all my debt within just 3 months, which is you pay $300 towards your debt, leaving a balance of $470, means which is the remaining debt. On month 2, I paid $300 more, and in the month 3, I just paid the remaining $170, and in this way all of my debts will be gone. And next it asked me to save almost $100 per month. So in the case of emergency or in a rainy day, this $100 will save my life. And next it asked me to increase my income. So this was just a rough estimate that how you can use ChatGPT to manage your finances and pay off your debts and all the things that you want to do. You have to just tell it your earnings and all the expenses that you have, and ask ChatGPT to give a perfect plan according to the data you provided, and it will provide you the exact calculated things that you have to implement, and your finances will be managed in a perfect manner. Now if you have any of the questions or suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments, and you can subscribe for more videos like this. Now if you want to know how you can directly earn money through ChatGPT, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.